Omegaman here, and today I'm going to challenge you to be a dream maker and not a dream breaker. You see, dream makers make good choices. Dream breakers make bad choices. So today I'm going to challenge you to use your superpowers for good. Omegaman here, and today I'm going to challenge you to be a dream maker and not a dream breaker. Let's have some fun.
Dream makers are.
They're respectful, they help others, they play nicely, they follow directions, they have patience, they're leaders, they are good listeners. Just a few examples of what a dream maker is. I have a simple question for you. Have you ever made a bad choice? Come on, let's be honest. Back talking, not listening to your teachers, disobeying mom and dad, lying, pushing, shoving, maybe being a bully, breaking some school rules. Come on, let's be honest. Come on, let's be. Oh, but I have good news. Let's take all of our bad choices that we did maybe 2 hours ago, 2 days ago, 2 months ago, even 2 years ago. Let's take all those bad choices and put them inside this book.
Omegaman, but it's only a book.
But it's just not a book. It's a special book. It's called The Book of Bad Choices. Everyone, say this after me. The Book of Bad Choices. I'm going to take the Book of Bad Choices. I'm going to rip it right down the middle like one piece of paper. Why? Because it represents our past. We can't go in a time machine, fly back in time, and redo our bad choices. But I have some good news. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? We can start making the right choices starting today. Everyone, say this after me. Today is a new day in my life. I'm making good choices in school, in the classroom, on the playground, in the hallway, on the school bus, on social media, wherever I go in life, I'm making good choices. So come on, help me out as I rip the Book of Bad Choices.
Come on, Omegaman. You can't do it. You're a quitter.
Oh no. This is not good. I got a paper cut. Does anyone have a Band-Aid? Does anyone have a Band-Aid? You have a Band-Aid? What kind of Band-Aid is it? It's a Hello Kitty Band-Aid. I love Hello Kitty. Can we put a Band-Aid? But I'm having a hard time ripping the book. Should I quit? No, because I'm not a quitter, that's right. But what if I tried it the second time, or 3 times, or 4 times? Should I quit now? No, because I'm not a what? Quitter. And you're not a quitter either. Everyone, say this after me. I'm not a quitter. I'm a winner. I'm a champion. I'm a hero. But you know what? Do you know who wants us to quit? Deceptor. He's the leader of the dream breakers, and he comes across our path every day as bad choices. He doesn't look like that. He changes himself. Maybe being a bully, teasing, not listening, disrespecting your teachers, not following directions, breaking the rules at school, maybe making fun of someone on social media. He comes in different shapes and forms as dream breakers. Now let me ask you a question. Are you going to be like him, act like him, follow him? No, because you're not going to be a dream breaker, but every day you're going to make good choices and be a dream maker. But to be honest, I got to tell you my story. See, when I was your age, when I was a little boy, I was made fun of, I was teased, I was bullied. Why? Because I was a little different than everyone else at school. I stuttered. See, when I was your age, I spoke like this. And kids made fun of me, they laughed at me, they gave me nicknames, and I started believing them. I started believing what they said about me. I started thinking, maybe it is true, maybe I am weird, maybe maybe it is, maybe I'm not smart enough. My grades dropped, I didn't like myself anymore, and I wasn't living the true dream maker life. But you know what? I had to change my thinking. One day I thought to myself, wait a minute, why am I letting those dream breakers stop me from being a dream maker in life? So I had to change my thinking. And I have to tell you something, what you think about yourself, you'll become. And I had to start changing the way I thought about myself. Every day I made it a mission to get up in the morning and think good things about myself. Omegaman, you're smart. You could do this, Omegaman. You're gonna reach your dreams. I also had to put work into it. I went to speech therapy and I read books in speech therapy for years and years. And I had to say this. Let me ask you a question. Would I be here today speaking to you if I kept on believing what the bully said about me back in elementary, middle school? No. So if someone comes up to you and say you're this, make fun of you, tease you, disrespect you, you do not listen to them. You know what? Every day you believe in yourself, you ignore those dream breakers, and every day believe in yourself. You can do it. Yes, you can. Everyone, say this after me. Yes, I can.
Yes,
Come on, I can't hear you. Yes, I can.
Yes,
You can do anything you put your mind to. I believe in you. Your teachers, they believe in you. Your mom and dads, they believe in you. But I need you every day to believe in yourself. One more time. Yes, I can.
Yes,
I can do it.
I
You can do it. And always be a dream maker in life. So come on, help me out as I rip the book of bad choices. You're not a quitter. I'm not a quitter. Come on, help me out. Here we go. Help me. Today is a new day. Let's be dream makers and not dream breakers. Use your superpowers for good. So remember, if you believe, you'll achieve. Always make the right choices in life. And with that,
this is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.